Hey, it's so Rev7X. My YouTube name got changed. I don't want my real name on there. But I'm gonna do a bike check. I got a Sapient frame. Here, let me get more lighting in here. Lighting sucks. Got a Sapient frame. Yeah, this lighting sucks. I need better lighting. If I go like that. Sapient frame. I'll go to the Sapient stock fork. ODI long necks, ODI bar ends. DK Crazy 8 bars. I have no idea what that front load stem is. Stock headset. This is just a seat from like my old bike. Animal seat clamp. It's like in a matte blue. Yeah, animal seat clamp. Purple DK. DK bicycles. Pedals. They kind of suck. Other one spins fast. But yeah. Got a 25 tooth shadow sprocket. KMC stock chain. Stock bottom bracket, stupid ass, one piece. Sapient cranks. Sapient stock rim. With some Sapient stock forks. Actually tire, I don't even know what kind. I think it's Maxxis. It's a Maxxis front tire, or back tire. Maxxis inner tube probably. This is my favorite tire of all time that I've ever rode. It's the Kenda Kid Block tire. Yeah, the Kenda Kid Block. I got a front rim. It's a rib cage. I know that's the style. I got some green stolen nipples. Stolen spokes. The rim. I think the rim is a... I don't even know what kind of rim it is. It used to be my back rim, as you can see. Right there. Because, like the brakes. But yeah. Anything else? Kinda inner tube. And here's the sound of my sprocket. My driver. It's a 10-tooth driver. Oh yeah, the hubs. I got a front redline hub and a back specialized hub. Now here's the sound of the back sprocket. Pretty nice. I get some blue rims. It'll match with the grips. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.